welcome. I'm Paul Ritter, Vice President of Interactive Media Strategies. Thanks for joining me for this edition of the IVT Video Case Study Series. In today's presentation, we'll be taking a look at how webcasting is emerging as a vital marketing tool for companies looking for innovative and engaging ways to communicate with customers and prospects. Our tour guide into this emerging new world of marketing will be Rob Everton, Creative Technology Director and Webcast Manager for Cramer, based in Norwood, Massachusetts. Cramer is an integrated marketing solutions provider that offers an expansive range of marketing services to a growing stable of brand-name corporate clients. It helps its customers with projects ranging from creating four-color brochures to designing and building trade show exhibit booths to producing large-scale client events for thousands of attendees. And at Cramer, Everton is seeing webcasting emerge as a medium that can build upon the strengths of existing marketing campaigns while providing clients a fresh, innovative, and highly interactive means for conveying their message.
Cramer has a unique business model. We have nearly 200 people at the facility providing tactical solutions, including events, video, print, and interactive. But we also think like an agency, and that allows us to tie all these initiatives, all these components together strategically for consistency of message, consistent look and feel. Customers coming here consider us a one-stop shop for their marketing and communications needs.
One example of a major campaign that Cramer managed recently that involved almost every aspect of the firm's full-service approach was for Serono, a leading biotech company. The Cramer campaign involved roadshow events, live webcasts, teleconferences, direct mail, print pieces, and overall branding for the entire campaign. Rob talks about some of the reasons that webcasting really helps to make the whole campaign highly effective and very successful for Serono.
We provide an ongoing campaign that consists of roadshow events, live webcasts, teleconferences, direct mail, print pieces, packaging, overall branding. So we're looking at this as a communication program where we're handling all the look and feel, all the messaging year-round. Webcasting is a key component of that program because it allows customers, patients, to reach out to doctors and get their questions asked in real time in a forum that can be private, or in the case of the live events, among a group of people going through the same thing they are.
Indeed, Cramer is discovering that webcasting can stretch across industries and can be used for a wide array of different communications applications. For instance, Cramer now is working with one of the nation's leading accounting firms, putting web video to use in ways that help improve the way the organization communicates with the wide variety of different stakeholders.
Another example of a typical Cramer solution would be the work we do with PricewaterhouseCoopers Senior Partners. A program every fall consists of satellite-linked meetings in 4 cities at a time, networked handheld appliances that allow them to communicate, collaborate, participate in polls, live webcasts to communicate to customers, alumni, partners about various technology considerations that they need day-to-day in their job, as well as a variety of other components. So they have a variety of communication needs, and we apply different media to help them reach those objectives. Another example would be the NAAU User Conference. This is the alliance of Avaya users. And at this event, we capture all of the breakout sessions and the general sessions and make them available in archive form for members of the NAAU organization. This is a service we provide not just to attendees who have obviously paid admission to go to the event and might want to pick up archives they missed when they were there, but also to Avaya employees to keep up to date with information that's critical to their business.
Cramer clients are also capitalizing on the capabilities of online multimedia, not only to grow the viewership of existing conferences and events, but also to create an entirely new class of targeted marketing assets that can be viewed on a live or on an on-demand basis.
Many customers come to us for both live and on-demand webcast solutions. One example would be Barry Diagnostics, who was launching a new blood analysis machine. They asked us to provide first some live events where doctors and customers were going to attend and learn all about this new product, as well as hearing about it from doctors who are already using it. We captured that event and broadcast it live to facilities all around the country who each had a group of potential customers in the room. So there might have been 70 locations, but each location had 10 to 50 potential customers in each location. We then took the archive of the live events as well as other live events and put them together into a larger series of webcast archives. So you had the short product launch webcast and you had additional information webcasts that you could watch at your convenience later. So it provided a live webcast solution that was highly interactive, that allowed the audience to ask questions of the doctors and speakers about how that product was going to work in their facility. It also allowed us to push polls and get a sense of how the audience was responding to the new product and the webcast. It also allowed us to post an archive that would live for the months to come, that would continuously generate new leads, reinforce the existing leads, and continue to help push the sales cycle.
The potential for webcasting in corporate promotion truly is limited only by the imagination of corporate marketers. As an organization's library of multimedia marketing materials grows, companies like Cramer's client Candela are creating entirely new destination sites featuring promotional content that the firm's partners can put to use to promote the company's offerings.
Candela, a leading manufacturer of cosmetic lasers, produced this terrific portal for their existing customers to help them sell solutions using those lasers to their patients. It's full of information and sales tools. It's a terrific offering, and it differentiates them from their competitors. They came to us because they needed to communicate the benefits of that tool to their existing patients and also leverage that availability by showing prospects that that's available to them if they became a customer.
One of the key messages of this video case study with Cramer is how firms can really leverage the capabilities that webcasts provide for enabling interactivity that draws in viewers, prospects, and customers. The ability to not just communicate with them, but to really engage them one-on-one is a key benefit that webcasting can provide.
I think everyone would agree there's no beating a live face-to-face meeting. But when you look at the other options available to you, webcasting comes a close second. Webcasting certainly allows you to engage your audience. It allows you to have a conversation, to understand their reactions to what you're producing. It allows them to send in questions for you to react to those questions. It allows you to provide a level of engagement and interactivity that no other medium provides.
Cramer selected IVT's media platform technology to help it provide a high level of very customized services to the firm's customers. As with many cutting-edge companies that are at the vanguard of their industry, Cramer has invested a great deal of its own time and resources developing custom applications and technology solutions to help their customers differentiate themselves in the markets in which they serve.
Some of the customizations that Media Platform allows us include simple things like colors, fonts, look and feel, graphics, and you can pretty much do whatever you'd like there, but it also allows us to incorporate any type of technical flexibility that we'd like, including adding additional components, tying tighter into databases, incorporating tightly into lead generation systems and tracking and reporting systems. There's really no end to the flexibility in the system, both on the front end from the user's perspective as well as the back end on the marketing and data tracking side.
Thanks for watching this edition of the IVT Video Case Study Series. If you'd like additional information on Cramer, IVT, or our video case study series, please feel free to get in touch at the contact information shown here. Thanks again for watching, and I encourage you to stay tuned for more video case studies from IVT and Interactive Media Strategies.